Have you ever felt like you're playing a game you can't win? You work hard, you save, you try to invest, but it feels like the goalposts are always moving. You're not alone. Many people look at the financial system and wonder, is it rigged against the average person? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about access. The wealthiest investors have access to opportunities that most of us don't even know exist. Think about IPOs or initial public offerings. Before a company goes public, big investment banks and their top clients often get the first chance to buy shares at a lower price. By the time the stock hits the open market for the rest of us, the price has often already jumped. And those early investors can cash out for a quick profit. It's like getting a head start in a race you didn't know had started. Then there's the issue of information. In the world of finance, information is power. Professional traders on Wall Street have access to incredibly sophisticated data, high-speed trading algorithms, and teams of analysts working around the clock. Their computers can execute trades in a fraction of a second, capitalizing on tiny price movements that the average person would never even see. It's not just about what you know. It's about how fast you know it. This creates a huge gap between the pros and the rest of us using our retail brokerage apps. Let's not forget about complexity. The financial world is filled with jargon and complex products that are intentionally confusing. Derivatives, credit default swaps, collateralized debt obligations. These aren't household terms. This complexity can be a shield, making it difficult for regular people to understand what is really happening with their money or to spot the risks in the system. When things go wrong, it's often the average citizen, through bailouts and economic downturns, who ends up paying the price for risks they didn't even know were being taken. And what about influence? The financial industry spends billions on lobbying to influence laws and regulations in its favor. This can lead to loopholes that benefit big banks and hedge funds, while consumer protections get weakened. It is a classic case of those with the most money having the loudest voice in the rooms where the rules are made, which can tilt the playing field even further. So, is the system rigged? Well, it's definitely not a level playing field. The system has rules and structures that undeniably favor those with more capital, better access, and greater influence. It's like a game where some players start with extra pieces on the board. But here's the crucial part. Knowing the rules of the game is your first step to playing it better. It doesn't mean you should give up. It means you need to be smarter. Education is your greatest asset. Learn about passive investing, index funds, and long-term strategies. These tools were designed to help everyday people build wealth steadily over time, without trying to beat the pros at their own high-speed game. Focus on what you can control: your savings rate, your budget, and your financial literacy. Diversify your investments, keep your costs low, and think for the long term. The system might have its biases, but it's not impossible to navigate. By understanding the challenges, you can develop a strategy that works for you, not against you. Don't be discouraged. Get empowered. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that helps you make sense of the world of money. See you in the next video.